So how can you keep your photos private on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So there are actually more ways how you can do this. If it's just on your phone, then you can hold down on the photos icon and click on require Face ID, which will sort of lock the whole Photos app on your phone, and you will have to authenticate yourself once again before opening the Photos app. That would be one way of doing that. On the other hand, you can also put your photos into the hidden album, so you can just click on the image, make it full screen, click the three dots and tap on the hide button. So, it will like put it away into these like sort of hidden folders. And this can also be protected by the passcode and Face ID. And if you put the photos into the hidden compartment, it just means that it's not going to show on your widgets. It's not going to be in any albums or in any like recommendations. It's not going to appear on your Apple Watch, for example, right? So it's literally just hidden from your side across your devices. So that would be one way to do that. But also, if you want to keep your photos private, make sure that you also don't like share your photos, because if you go to the settings, tap on your profile, go to iCloud and to Photos, you might have, for example, the shared albums enabled. And this is literally not keeping your photos private because you might be uploading them to different folders, which other people can access as well. So depends on which angle you want to look at it from or what exactly you want to do. But these are the most common ways or methods of keeping the photos private. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. In case of any questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.